Today I'm going to do this tutorial on how to set this eero Pro 6E. So first of all, you need to download the app and just click on eero, E-E-R-O. So yeah, since I have my Wi-Fi already, I'm gonna create another Wi-Fi network. Just click on the name right here. Add a network. Make sure you have the gateway eero device, power cord, Ethernet cord, modem, and fiber. Using cellular data or different equipment. Click on start. So first unplug your old modem or fiber or NT and old router from power. And if you have any other equipment connected to your modem or fiber or NT, unplug it and restart the modem. And I show you on how to connect your eero with your modem. And then plug in the power. And now it's looking for gateway. So I'm going to do that. This is my modem right here, and then I connect it to a wireless router here and my 5-port switch. So I'm gonna unplug everything and then unplug the modem as well. Except the cable that's coming in. I'm going to connect the gateway, which is our RJ45 right there, to one of the port here, like that. Okay. Now we're going to plug in the power cord on both units, modem, and then the mesh. And now it's looking for gateway. Once your gateway device status light blinking blue, it is in the pair mode. So it's blinking blue. It will turn solid blue when it has been found. Okay. And this one is flashing stealth white light on the eero. So it kind of stays solid now. So yeah, let's come back and wait. So yeah, we're gonna wait and then come back. Alright, it says found on eero Pro 6E. Now the blue light is on. And the modem now is online. It was blinking white. Wait. So it has to be solid blue in order to have a full internet service. So yeah, let's try to connect it to the internet. Let's see. Alright, so now you can name your Wi-Fi mesh. Where is the location at? Okay, I'm gonna customize it and put a game room. Okay, next. So I'm gonna give it a Wi-Fi name. I'm gonna put MACDADDY Spectrum. Alright, say your game room eero 6. eero Pro 6 is now set up. It has power, it's connected to the internet, and is well placed. So I'm going to add another one, second and third one. Okay, so add another. Place your eero 6 centrally. If you have a dead spot, try to place your new eero 6 device between the dead spot and another eero device to ensure a strong connection. Okay, out in the open. Place your eero device out in the open to maximize Wi-Fi performance. Away from large electronics. Avoid placing your eero device in front, on top, or under any electronic or appliances, as metal object can block Wi-Fi signals. Plug in your eero device. Remember to keep it out in the open and away from large electronics or appliances, as metal object can block Wi-Fi signal. So I'm going to add the second one. It says connect the power. Now it's blinking stealth white light. Next, connecting eero to network. Looking for eero. This can take up to 90 seconds. I got a blue light. Connect eero to network. Test connection. Nice placement. Looks great. Alright, cool. Now we're going to do the next one. I'm going to set the location. Let me see. I'm going to put it down to the family room. Set location. Registering. Okay, I'm gonna finish setup. Oh no, I gotta add another one. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the third one. I'm gonna go to speedtest.net. Okay. That's the old test that I did with their Spectrum wireless router, or the wireless router. But I had to go near it. So now it's kind of far apart, and the eero 6 is right here next to me. So yeah, the speed is about, I'm not getting 1 gig through the Wi-Fi, so I don't know why. So the upload is supposed to be like 40. Well, there you have it. So I'm not sure. Well, as long as I can use a different room. Before, when I was using on this in this room, I think I only get like 100 megabit per second. So yeah, I was testing on the Spectrum wireless router. I'm only getting like 82.65, and then upload is 2.47. That is very, very low. So yeah, with this the eero Pro 6e, you get a better connection, but I still didn't get a 1 gig download speed. So well, I'm gonna test it out. If I don't like it, I think I have a 30-day to return with the eBay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.